In this video, we will discuss the class 8th chapter number 6, combustion and flame. What is combustion? It is a process in which a substance combined chemically with the oxygen with simultaneous evolution of the heat and light is called combustion. It means in this a particular substance, let us take the example of magnesium. That substance will burn in the presence of oxygen and it will form magnesium oxide plus with the simultaneous evolution of heat and light. This is the symbol of heat. It means when a particular substance in the presence of oxygen form a oxide and lot amount of heat is released, that simultaneous process is known as combustion. It produce a dazzling light flame. Clear? Hold a small piece of charcoal with a pair of tongs, heat it in the flame of the Bunsen burner. Charcoal start burning, producing heat and light, leaving behind a little ash. So all these chemical changes are known as combustion. There are the various terms which are used while studying the combustion, that are combustible substance, non-combustible substance and spotter of combustion. Combustible substances are those substances which burn in the air are called combustible. For example, petrol, LPG, wax, kerosene, paper. And those which do not burn in air are called non-combustible substances. For example, water, glass, cement or sand. Next are the spotter of combustion. Those substances which help in the combustion. For example, oxygen is needed for the anything to burn. If oxygen is not there, that is supply is cut off, then the combustion will stop. Clear? So that minimum temperature up to which a substance must be heated before it catches fire easily is called ignition temperature. It means there is a minimum temperature up to which a particular substance can catch the fire easily. That is called ignition temperature or the kindling temperature. Substance having a low ignition temperature catch the fire easily, and those substances which have high ignition temperature do not catch the fire easily. Ignition temperature of a substance depend on its chemical nature, that how a substance chemically is formed, and petrol ignition temperature is lower than that of the kerosene. It means if we have a petrol and a kerosene, then petrol will catch a fire easily because its ignition temperature, that is a temperature below which a substance will catches a fire easily, is very much low. That's why petrol catches a fire easily as compared to the kerosene. Clear that what is combustion and how the various terms are related to combustion and which will help to support a combustion, that is oxygen is needed. Clear?